Hey guys, this is Amma from my friend's favorite video focus, pref, right? So guys, today I'm going to unbox Ptron 3-in-1 data cable. So guys, earlier I just unboxed XMED 3-in-1 cable where I'll be leaving in the I button where you can clearly check about it. So this is Ptron, and that I purchased it for around 350, and this I purchased it for around 250 rupees. So this is all the same quality, it's like something. So I just left that in my office. So for home purposes I just purchased this. So without any delay, let me just open it first of all. So on the top we have this Ptron nice thing. The box packaging was good. It's not just like something. Ptron and 3-in-1 cable, which was written. Yeah, output of 5 volts 2 amperes max. The data transmission is of, you can also transmit data. It's of 480 mbps. 3-in-1 interface. You can charge it one time, but yeah, you can charge 3 at a time, no issues. But the power will be decreasing, that's it. And cable length is of 1.2 meters, material PVC cable plus oven fabric, and this supports both data synchronization and charging. Other 2-pin supports charging. So this is how it is. The MRP was around 800, but you can get it for absolutely 250 in Amazon. And yeah, the best buy links will be present in the description below, so you can check the link and you can purchase from there. And it has 6 months warranty, and it is absolutely made in China, of course. This is how it's something and like that. So let me just keep it aside. Yeah, this is how it is. You can clearly check you have this wrapper, which is very good. So this is how it's something, and let me just keep it so guys, here you can check the cable how it is, and nothing else in the package. Let me keep this aside, this also aside. You can clearly check the material. It was nylon stitched, and yeah, it's good. I feel like it's something kind of premium quality. Yeah, this is how you can check it. Here it is a metal. Here you can find metal in the USB cable. Here we have Ptron branding, and here these are also metal thing, and you have Ptron was written in every metal piece of thing. So let me just connect it towards my Realme charger. So let me just connect it towards this cable. Yeah, so this is how it is. 1.2 meters wide, and it's good. In fact, I just want to connect it here. This is of course type C. This is type C, my true. You can find the unboxing of this earphones also in I button. So let me just switch on the. So yeah, you can check it's 46. It's charging, and yeah, this is also it's getting charged. So you can clearly check. Let me just remove. So it comes with type C. That's good. So both are charging at a time. And yeah, my iPhone is somewhere else. Actually, I'm not finding it. If not, I would have connected this lightning cable to my iPhone. So yeah, it's working fine. You can charge it 3 at a time, in fact, but it's recommended to charge only one device at a time, so that you'll be getting more and more power. It will not be distributed. So this is how it is, this cable. Yeah guys, so this is unboxing of this product. If you have any questions, please mention me in the comment section below. I'll be replying as early as possible, and you can find the link of this product in the description, so that where you can purchase from there. Yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.